In this video, I will show you how to create a group chat in KakaoTalk. First, log into your KakaoTalk account. Navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on Chats. Then, tap on the message icon at the top. From here, tap on Open Chat. After that, tap on Group Chat. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your chat room. This can be anything you like, such as Friends Hangout or Study Group. If you want, you can also add hashtags to make it easier for others to find your chat room based on interests or topics. After setting the name and hashtags, scroll down to find a toggle button. Make sure to disable this toggle if you want to restrict access to your group chat. Once you've made your selections, tap on Done to proceed to the next step. At this point, your group chat should be created. However, if you see a Relax option, it means you can't perform this action right now due to KakaoTalk's policies. You can try creating the group chat later using the same process. If prompted, tap on Relax, then tap on the circle to mark it as a tick, tap on User Identification, and then tap on OK. Once your group chat is created and ready for use, you can start inviting friends or colleagues to join the conversation. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.